si Jenna Mergal.
Number 10.
Okay, Sky, we're going to announce the Miss Gay 2008. Okay, please step forward, beloved two ladies, Maria Rivera, Katrina, and Miss Alec Bovic. Talaga tatlo eh. Triple tie. Our Miss Gay 2008 is no other than contestant number to be awarded by Chairman Abuel and Mr. William Jose.
10.
Our Miss Gay 2008 goes to receive 8,000 pesos in cash, trophy, sash, and bouquet.
10.
Our Miss Gay 2008 is candidate number following an average points total score of 68. Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga nanood, sa mga contestants. Thank you so much. To be awarded by Chairman Abuel. Our Miss Gay 2008 goes to
10.
my gosh. Miss Gay 2008 is Miss sino? Alec Models by the border, angels in the dark. Which one of you would ever dare to go against? Kaya why hindi natin inisip kami si Alec Bovic? One is paid fashionista. How do you love? Fashionista. Congratulations, Alec Bovic, for winning the year 2008 Miss Gay at Barangay 83 Zone 7. Thank you so much. A picture
You
na
really
lang,
deserve
please.
that. Very, very.
Picture, please.
Yeah, picture mo na si Nandima.
If you pay my way. Thank you so